Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to check for software updates for your earbuds QCY Buds ANC. You have to start by open QCY application, and if you add your earbuds to the application you will see the same menu here. Now we need to go to the settings at the top. And now right here we have a firmware update. If you cannot see it, just scroll down and then click on it. It checked for updates and it said that I have the last software version. If you haven't, just install a new one. Firmware is the same as software. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.